Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kalong ka bansa kan mau ya Khadc Hills Autonomous Council Hakabakatanat Post Office jong ka Sorkar Pedeng kalau Pynrung ya kadur jong ka KHADC hak special cover. Hak ni envelope lot ho shaphang ka KHADC hak Philately ki ktien kata hak ktien hindi khasi bat phareng. Ya kan special cover la pelai pat ba do Chief Executive Member jong ka Khadc Hills Autonomous Council uba penyat sing siem hak jinon lang ulam phang ka KHADC uba lam phrang bla ka DGP ka kong Ainong Rang, Chief Postmaster General NE Circle bat kiway. Habakran bat kinong thok khobor CM ka KHADC ula penpaw ka jing ngok men, bakatanat post office kalashim ya kadur jong ka KHADC kum ka special cover kani kan penlong ya kiway ki jela hakari India bakintip ya ka KHADC. Shushu ula thu bahkan ka special cover jong ka KHADC la tho ashaphang ka KHADC hakilai tali ki ktien.
Ring bhag.
The culture, religion, flora, fauna, personalities, right now from Indian independence to modern days. It's a window, Philately is a window which shows the world through which one can come across the diversity of the world, human life. It touches upon all the aspects of human life, living lives, art, architecture. You can name anything, you will find there is a stamp on that. I also welcome all of you for this occasion to encourage our young budding philatelist students who have come here. There will be a competition such as letter writing competition, designing competition, quiz competition, so that they can understand the essence of philately. Once again, I welcome all of you on this occasion. Thank you very much.
And I couldn't understand right from my school days. I could not understand, but many people were good enough to send me stamps. We are 10 friends, so from different parts of the world I got their stamps. And I feel that it was my own the best I had in the world. And then when my speeches have been born, I could afford because I knew I was a teacher. So whatever I had in stamps. And then I went to JNU. I fell in love with the postman there because he was so good to me. And when I was in the university, then I thought I should try the UPSC. So what to select? Since I fell in love with the postman and with the post stamps, I thought, among the things, postal service is the best. So I got into it. And ever since I'm in the department, I just, looked about stamp and we give me food and then she's on. Till today. Few days ago, I was going through my old records since the house reconstruction. I mean, many of my things got damaged, and I could salvage about 100 damaged stamps, which I collected over the last 2 years from different parts of the country. So I said, it's all my bills, and we will take it over because my daughter is a teacher, but she's not interested. Too busy of course. But then for me, it has been my walking encyclopedia, Philately. It has been a source that I could interact with children and be with them and talk about the whole world, every subject, just by carrying a little, little booklet or a little stamp album that I could share with them. I don't know whether man was there in Mongkok when I had gone there. I carried one big bag and I taken a lot of stamps, and whoever children would reply to the quiz that I asked on the spot, I was giving away one stamp. Now I was not aware, what is my role here? So if I didn't do anything, I was late because of so many things. So I'm here and I feel, I'm young. Every young person, Philately has kept me. If I take, listen. When you're not busy, you become sick, you become old, you become lonely. But with stamps, you can have your best friend all the time. Because you can go to that stand and this is from this country, from that country, and then you are with all the people of the world. It teaches me values. Because when I was a student in JNU, many of my friends were not Indians, said, interact with those Indians. I said, I'm an Indian. And I've got all the stamps of different parts of the country and the world. So how can I not interact with my brothers and sisters all over the world? So that's what we value, love Philately. And when I started UPSC, I hardly had anything to read. Nowadays you can read too many books, but I had nothing. The stamps that I had, I had those, and I remember every country, the resources, whatever the people of that country or little knowledge I had. So I wrote my exam, I passed, and everyone was surprised how this little woman, she could survive and pass in a big place like JNU, like New Delhi. So I want to get to Philately.
Generation here and even the students here would even be writing any letters. So when the CGM was saying that you're having a letter writing competition, I'm wondering whether it would actually be a letter as we did in the olden days, or would it be an email where you don't have any honorifics, where you don't have any, salutations as such, because that is the way the world is today. Philately has grown over the years. It started off with the United Kingdom, then England, and I don't know whether this fact is a commonly known fact now, but it was when I was growing up. England, the United Kingdom is the only country which issues stamps without the name of the country, because they were the first country that issued stamps. And if you look at any other stamps from any other country, you will have that country's name. You have stamps of various shapes and sizes. You have stamps, like mentioned in the inaugural address, on nearly every topic, every facet of life, every aspect of culture, tradition, religion, what have you. Stamps are a rich tapestry of all the things that have happened, and also of the things that we hope to achieve. Let us learn from stamps that it is not a transient. Our place here in society is not a transient thing. We all contribute, and what we contribute in the way of communicating and ensuring that the habit of letter writing continues helps us to better able to understand people from other parts of the world, people from other parts of the country. And as we move on with the Philately exhibition today, I wish the Postal the department all the very best. It has grown from being the person created for the postman, delivering all the parcels and the letters, to reaching out and actually delivering on microfinancing in different parts of the country. The Postal Department has been an integral part in the growth of India, and I'm sure it will continue to be an integral part as we move forward to the next century. Thank you, and all the very best.
Just minimum ₹10. So when I was in school, whenever I could save some money, 1 rupee or 2 rupees, every month I used to deposit in my account in the India Post Office. And that I really remember and could get the privilege to be part of banking system during my times, which is very difficult to go to the other nationalized banks because we have huge deficit, minimum deficit. Today I'm very happy to stand here, especially to thank the post office, Babaji Ranjan, giving us this opportunity for district council to be part of this wonderful event, and especially for us to get this opportunity to have a special cover on record. So this is achievement from KTC and also another milestone that we will go forward from now on. So it is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today at the Meghalaya Postal Division Philately exhibition in Khadc 2024. This event not only celebrates the art and history of Philately, but also serve as a vibrant reflection of our culture, tradition, and the rich stories that stamps can tell. Philately is more than just collecting stamps. It is a gateway to understanding our world. Each stamp captures a moment in history, a cultural landmark, or a significant event connecting us to the past while enriching our present. The theme represented in this exhibition highlights not only the natural beauty of nature and beyond, but also our shared commitment to preserving our legacy for future generations. I want to commend the Meghalaya Postal Division for their efforts in organizing this exhibition. It is testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved, from the postal staff to the local artists and philatelists who have contributed their time and passion. Your collective efforts have brought together a community of enthusiasts who share a love for collecting and appreciating these miniature works of art. This exhibition is also an opportunity for us to encourage the younger generation to embrace Philately. In a rapidly digitalizing world, it is essential that we foster a sense of curiosity and appreciation for tangible artifacts of history. Philately can ignite a passion for learning, be it about geography, art, or culture. Let us together to inspire the youth of today to explore this fascinating hobby. Tapestry of our tribal cultures. Each display is a window into our identity. Let us celebrate our unique heritage and the stories that bind us together as a community. In closing, I wish to express my gratitude to all the participants, organizers, and visitors who have come together to make Megha Bex 2024 a remarkable event. May this exhibition not only deepen our appreciation for Philately, but also strengthen our bonds as a community. Thank you. Kubleshipur Jehe.
Philately exhibition arca South Lapmek daga Post Office Division Shillong harikat ka bat kejipin bet yung Post Master General yung North East Circle hakabidi bat kejing beri baik ikini stamps di poster berher kiba nadu kipor kiba kamen shua but hadu kiniki por kiba mata kidon ki stamps but ki posters na post office kiba day hapo jongkari India na ki states na ki jela berher por India kidon kiniki stamps ki post kiba day na shaba jongkari India kum na Bhutan kiwi ki jaka te kei kaba penlongkong san ini mentang asli hani kadai halor ka jingyo Pynrung ka Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council hapo kani ka re India haka postal re India haka bidai bat kani ka special cover la print ko ba jatli bat kawai na kata special cover kabla assignment ne da general Post Master General Jumpa North East Circle bat nak kalian cuma bat ni kani pensabha ni kani ke special cover kawai ke bani sign in original pensabha siapa National Museum Delhi kini kibabun pak ini special cover nak kalian ke post office kinsa ai yang hidup kat tu kat nisbah ini bangin la bande nang tai nakamta kinu kishiti kiba ngin ha mangi lani manu ki members from the embassy ni ki ni ki officers ni wat ka office su padan kam ha hti la bande le da special cover ka jumi ka kani ka te ka achievement ni ka jingjok ka jumi ha ka sinjam jongga jingya nanti ha ka wei pat ka benta namar ba dah ka bangiyo ka special cover misuko pa kari India pero kawai haka post office lala itu yang ini de kawai kata pat kabaan pat ba hadian habot nama kani special cover la shon ya ka la ni la print ya ka tang shisia mula ban print ASEAN de kamu hadian khatsan arpusnem kani ka special cover ka jungi kan long very limited lani kan duna abhai sisian maka duna kani special cover teng kan sadan ka demand na kiwi ki jaka but simba bon ka demand ka do jong ne special cover kan keu kuman shu an sa le sir kan poi ka por le se hadian san chipo khat san snem ni le se yamanta ka value kan long san po tin ka gawe kan rei hata ka por kan poi chipo khat san lak ne ar ko lak ka we de namar bakani ka de tak ka one time publication de namar tak daw kata ka kalong shibentan na kituki nong wat punya se ne nong kiba sumar ni bawat ni kini kistam ki postcard dan ni kini ki special cover Henry ini kom ka HDC pat ka jimunto kalong ba di India hi berkawai la itu yang ni ka HDC kamtam bangilayo man Pynrung ya kan special cover akan dikatuk jangkat post office de nana sloba ketika we ka achievement nama hak ketika special cover la papai baru hak ketian Hindi hak ketian English but hak ketian Khasi keladon sepak dan cimbatai banyak habai day bakan district council manu balak seng dan dia arkitek ikan ni basic schedule dia lead Reverend JJM Nichols Roy dia balak pentrikam ikan ada senang kendai sepasan puan ter history dan ikan jingnya tu Lincoln Jepang ke six schedule ni district council lah dan akan ke special power dengan ngit sikap layok kan special power but kani kadeka ke jingjok jungi kum ke HDC mentah sini ba kermen skam ke jingi wan shimenta kini ki kena school neki school befer pot nong ba shilong kan penlong yaki ban sultanat ban kamwat benya pang ke jinglong jingman habide kini ki stamps bakin don kata ka jing sultanat kata ka hobby ban kale ki stamps si hadian habut kin sa treasure dan kin sa bu kerpang yaki ban long ka jimun toy kata dia jik tu mo jok ni ka program tansi